10th standard. First lesson is called community test. Plan anatomy. For plan anatomy, what do you mean? The definitions of anatomy is commonly called as study of internal structure. Study of internal structure by means of microscopic explanation. By means of microscopic explanation. The term anatomy is derived from Greek word. What do you mean with this commonly called as? Ana, that means as under. Tommy is derived from Taminion. What is the meaning of Taminion which commonly called as? To cut. So, what is the full definitions of anatomy is commonly called as? Study of internal structure by means of regarding or microscopic explanation. Who are first study about anatomy is commonly called as? The great scientist Erwin Drew comes from German botanist. For anatomy, it contains so many kinds of recording or compound that may exist. First of all, atoms combine together to form molecules. Molecules are combined together organelles. Organelles coming together cell. Cells coming to the tissues. Tissues coming together organ. Organ coming together to formations of regarding or organization. So the plan existing regarding what organization, then will be existing in so many kinds of regarding what categories. Okay? Yes. For your early studies to be classified as plan anatomy comes under atom coming to molecule coming to organelles, organelle coming to cells, cell to come to regarding what tissue coming to regarding what organ, and organ coming to regarding what the organization. For the title of recording plan anatomy, what is your clearly learnable commonly called as tissues? What do you mean commonly called as tissue? Tissue is commonly called as a group of cells which may be similar or it may be dissimilar. If it is similar or dissimilar, whatever may be, those are all is derived from regarding what the common origin. Performing common function. Next to commonly called as, what is meaning commonly called as tissue system. What I call tissue system means a group of cells performing common function for tissue or a group of cells performing common function irrespective of the nature. Who are first coined the term of regarding what tissues commonly called as Sachs. When the era of 1965. He recognized two kinds of regarding body tissue system, namely meristematic tissue, second one permanent tissue. Two kinds of tissue, meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. The word meristematics is a derived from regarding what Greek word. The word is commonly called as meristos. What is the meaning of meristos commonly called as divisible? So what are the characteristics which is of meristomat is commonly called as? The cell which undergo regarding what it divide. Resulting is responsive commonly called as formations of mass of cells. Resulting formations of mass of cells. But all the cells are performed regarding what the common function. For the meristematic cell, the cells are similar, which may possess regarding what dense cytoplasm and prominent large nucleus are there. Each cell that contain many vacuoles are there. The vacuole size is so smaller, which are scattered on the cytoplasm. These are characteristics of regarding what the meristematics. Next one. What are called permanent tissue? Permanent tissue is commonly called as among the meristematic cell. Some of the cells are commonly called as stop the dividing. Among the meristematic cell, some of the cells stop the dividing. Which cells are undergo stop the dividing? These cells become act as regarding what? Permanent tissue. This tissue loss of power of dividing either temporarily or permanently. The cells are loss of power of dividing either temporarily or permanently. But meristematic cells are commonly called as continuously going on regarding body division. Permanent cells are commonly called as among the meristematic cell, which cells are stop the dividing, those cells become it is act as regarding what the permanent tissue. Okay, yeah. So based on the nature, there are three kinds of tissue system explained regarding what is Sachs. First of all, dermal or epidermal tissue system. Second one, ground So in plant body, the outermost layer is commonly called as epidermis. Also called regarding what derm. For epidermis, this is a single layer. Made up of parenchymal cells. The cells are compactly arranged without intercellular spaces. The single layer regarding what epidermal cell, here and there interrupted by few stomata is there. These are called stomata. The stomata is a play as a vital role is commonly called as transpiration. Epidermis, what are the main functions commonly called as protection. The outer wall of epidermis covered by a thick layer is commonly called as cuticle. Cuticle is the main functions commonly called as prevent excess loss of water. These are three things it include regarding what epidermal system, namely epidermis, stomata, and cuticle. What is second is commonly called as ground or fundamental tissue system. The system includes all the tissues except epidermis and the vascular bodies. Remaining all things include regarding what the ground or fundamental tissue. Namely, what are things to increase commonly called as? One is cortex. Second one, endodermis. Third one, pericycle. Fourth one, these are all included regarding what a ground or fundamental system. Okay. What are the examples of regarding what a ground or fundamental system? Namely, one are called parenchyma. Second is called parenchyma. Third one is called sclerenchyma. What are the main functions of regarding what parenchyma? The main function of parenchyma is commonly called as one is photosynthesis. Second one, storage. Parenchyma, what is the main function is commonly called as regeneration. Sclerenchyma, what are the main functions commonly? What is commonly called as support. Third is commonly called as protection. These are commonly called as the second one tissue system regarding what a ground or fundamental tissue system. The third one is a commonly vascular tissue system. What do we call regarding what vascular tissue system? The vascular tissue who must be considered commonly called as one is called xylem. One more is a commonly called as phloem. So xylem and the phloem is commonly called as vascular tissue. The components of xylem and the phloem always it is accompanied according to groups. The elements of xylem and the phloem, if it is occur a group, that is a commonly called as vascular bundle. So based on accompanying regarding what the bundle nature, the vascular bundle can be classified by various types. First of all, types of vascular bundle. First one, open vascular bundle. What do we call regarding what open vascular bundle means? Capital tissue which is all present between xylem and the phloem. These are called phloem. These are called cambium. These are called regarding what is xylem. Capital tissue is present between xylem and the phloem. Such a vascular bundle is commonly called as open vascular bundle. Open vascular bundle generally is occur. Some examples are generally given you. Sternum. Which is some are commonly called as open vascular bundle is commonly called as dichroism. All dichroisms are commonly called as open vascular bundle. The second one, closed vascular bundle. What do we call closed vascular bundle? Commonly called as cambial tissue here present here is after. After some regarding what a cambial tissue, that is a commonly called as closed vascular bundle. So generally we say cambial tissues are absent between xylem and the phloem. Such a vascular bundle is commonly called as closed vascular bundle. Example, monocarcinoma. The third vascular bundle radial vascular bundle. What do we commonly called as radial vascular bundle? Commonly called as xylem and the phloem arranged in alternate manner. That's a commonly called as this is a phloem. This is xylem. This is a phloem. This is xylem. This is a phloem. Xylem. This is a phloem. Xylem. So xylem and the phloem arranged in alternate manner. Such a vascular bundle commonly called as radial vascular bundle. Radial vascular bundles are generally occur all kinds of regarding what roots. It may be monocot root. It may be dicot root. So dicot root and monocot root, if you take a section, keep microscope, you have to be observing such a kinds of regarding what system they can be arranging. What is the arrangement? Xylem, phloem, xylem, phloem, xylem, phloem. That is all arranged in alternate manner, but in different radius. Such a vascular bundle is commonly called as what? Radial vascular bundle. Next one is commonly called as conjoined vascular bundle. What do you mean conjoined vascular bundle commonly called as? Xylem and phloem arranged in same radius. It may be phloem is regarding what upper, xylem is lower. It may be xylem is upper, phloem is lower. Whatever it may be, xylem and phloem arranged regarding what one above the other. Such arrangement is commonly called about the conjoined vascular bundle. Based on the arrangement of regarding what xylem and phloem. Based on the arrangement of xylem and phloem, conjoined vascular bundle further classified as three types. One is called colleateral vascular bundle. Second one, bicollateral vascular bundle. Third one, concentric vascular bundle. So collateral vascular bundle, bicollateral vascular bundle, concentric vascular bundle. These are the types stated from recording what the conjoined vascular bundle. What is conjoined? Xylem and the phloem are in the same radius. So first of all, what do you call regarding what the collateral vascular bundle? That means commonly called as xylem and the phloem arrange the same radius. Here, phloem towards the periphery, xylem toward the center. What color cross the middle? Xylem and the phloem are in the same radius. Phloem towards the periphery, xylem toward the center. Such arrangement is commonly called as what? Collateral vascular bundle. Collateral vascular bundles are generally occur stem and leaves. What is that collateral vascular bundle? Stem and leaves. Okay, next. What are called bicollateral vascular bundle? Bi is a two. You know, according to structural view, this is a phloem. This is a cambium. This is a xylem. This is a cambium. This is a recurring butterfly. So, what are the definitions of bicollateral between commonly called as? Phloem is occur inner and outside of xylem. Phloem is occur inner and outside of xylem. So, they can be existing in inner side and outer side. That will be commonly called as bicollateral vascular bundle. Bicollateral vascular bundle generals are occur regarding what? All cucurbitaceae member. The family of cucurbitaceae, they can be possessed regarding what? Bicollateral vascular bundle. Next one. What are the wrinkles they can be present in? How you learn regarding the things to be studied with the help of regarding what the microscopic explanation. So, according in your topic way, there can be principles regarding what? Primary structure of Descartes root, then primary structure of regarding what? Fourth problem. What's that? Concentric vascular bundle. What are the definitions of concentric vascular bundle? such a arrangement, if it is existing, that is a commonly called as concentric vascular bundle. Based on the surrounding, concentric vascular bundle further classified as two types, namely amphicribral concentric vascular bundle. Second one, amphiwasal concentric vascular bundle. So based on the surroundings of xylem and the phloem, concentric vascular bundle further classified as two types, namely amphicribral concentric vascular bundle, then regarding amphiwasal concentric vascular. What is the first one? Amphicribral concentric vascular bundle. What are the definitions commonly called as? Is a commonly called as a phloem. Is a commonly called as xylem. So what are definitions of recording about amphicribral? Phloem completely surrounds the xylem. Phloem completely surrounds the xylem. It is a commonly called as amphicribral concentric vascular bundle. What are the examples commonly called as? Ferns. Ferns, which must be comes from regarding what? Pteridophytes. In pteridophytes, maximum fern, which must be comes from regarding what? Amphicribral concentric vascular bundle. What do you commonly called as amphicribral? Phloem completely surround the xylem. That's called amphicribral. Next one. Is a quite opposite of regarding what? Amphicribral. Because here phloem completely surrounds the xylem. Here outermost is commonly called as regarding what the xylem. Innermost is commonly called as regarding what the phloem. So here, according to structure, xylem completely surround the regarding what the phloem. Such arrangement is commonly called amphicribral, amphiwasal concentric vascular bundle. Amphiwasal vascular bundle is generally occur Dracena. Dicot root. Regular structure of dicot root. What are the examples commonly called as? B. If you take a section, you keep under the microscope. What are the reveals are there? You can search me. That is a commonly called as ground plan. For observing microscope, the ground plan. What are the components of the commonly called as? Is a commonly called as root hairs. Is a commonly called as rhizodermis. This is commonly called as cortex. This is commonly called as endodermis. This is commonly called as pericycle. is a protozoa. This is a called compound. Well, next is commodiculus. For the structural view, a portion should be regarding what enlarged. That's a commodiculus. Sector enlarged. So, first of all is a full view. Next, according to view, a portion should be enlarged. What are the compounds are there? They can be revealed. If you keep microscope, you want to observe what are the revealed. They can be arranging from periphery to toward the center. The first one is commonly called as rhizodermis, or also known as epiderma. The second region is commonly called as cortex. The third region is commonly called as stem. So these regions that can be arranging from regarding what to peripheral to third to center. What is the first layer? Rhizodermis are also called epiderma. What is the first layer? So rhizodermis is commonly called as, it is a single layer. Made up of parenchymal cells. Cells are compactly arranged without intercellular space. I am already telling about you for regarding what epidermal layer. What is the main function is commonly called as production. But in root, either monocot root or delta root, cuticle and stomata is here regarding what absent. The answer, cuticle and stomata is absent because cuticle and stomata, which is or occur only in regarding what the stem as well as regarding what leaves. So cuticle and stomata is generally absent in root, either monocot root as well as regarding what they call. So what I call regarding rhizodermis is a single layer made up of parenchymal cells. Cells are compactly arranged without intercellular space. Stomata and cuticle is absent. What is the main function is commonly called as protection. Secondly, cortex. So cortex is commonly called as in they call root is a multi-layer. There are so many kinds of layers are there. But all the layers made up of only one type of cell. So that's why it will be concerned regarding what? Homogeneous cortex. What do you mean homogeneous cortex? Because it's a made up of only one type of regarding what cell. What the cell is commonly called as? It's a parenchymal cells. Those reasons everything comes from regarding what? Cortex. What way the cortex, the cortical cells they will be arranging? The cells are arranging with or without intercellular space. What do you mean? Where they can be regarding what with the intercellular space? Where is commonly called as without intercellular space? Next to the regarding what rhizodermis, the cortical cells are regarding what closely arranged or compactly arranged. The cells are regarding what so small. Toward the center, the cells are regarding what larger cells, which are loosely arranged. Due to presence of regarding what loosely arranged, this is commonly called as aspace. The aspace help regarding what gaseous exchange. next. The innermost layer of regarding water cortex. The innermost layer of cortex is commonly called as endodermis. Endodermal cells are barrel-shaped parenchyma cells. These barrel-shaped parenchyma cells are also compactly arranged without interstellar space. But here, both the radial wall and the transversal wall, they have to be thickening. Who's to be thickening? Due to depositions of secondary wall substance commonly called as suberin. This is secondary wall substances. These substances which are deposited in the endodermal cell, both radial wall and the transversal wall. The thickening whose are first absorbed is commonly called as Caspary. For indicating is commonly called as Caspary stripes. What are the main functions of Caspary stripes commonly called as? It helps transport or flow of regarding water and mineral salt into regarding water cycle, which is helps to flow of or transport of water and mineral salts. Caspary stripes. Okay, next, what are the commonly called as passage cells? Passage cells generally occur opposite to regarding water protozoa. So this is a protozoa. This is a metazoa. So where is regarding water protozoa are there? The Caspary shapes are absent. That's why it can be considered regarding what? Passage cell. Through passage cell, the water can be entered to regarding what cell from where? Rhizodermis. The rhizodermis is a first layer, is a parenchyma cells. Cells are compactly arranged without interstellar space. These cells, they can be produced regarding what root hairs. These root hairs absorb water, the water through cortical cell enter to regarding what is there through passage cell. But other endodermal cells only water into regarding what the passage cells alone, but other endodermal cells cannot allow or cannot empty of water into regarding what is there. What are the main functions of regarding what is there? Once the water entered to regarding water steel mean, such a water cannot re-enter into regarding water cortex. So once the water through the diaphragm or through regarding passage is entered mean, such a water is not entered to regarding water corticals. That is the main functions of regarding water passage.